Good morning, guys. We just arrived at Bath Spa, Great Western Railway Station, here in Bath, Somerset, England. Join me as we tour Bath, known as the Old Roman City, here in Bath, Somerset, England. Bath City is known for its name because of the Roman-built baths in this area during the Roman era in Britannia. The left side of the Bath Abbey, or the St. Peter and Paul Abbey. Bath Abbey is founded in the 7th century and was reorganized in the 10th century and rebuilt in the 12th century. The right side is the famous entrance to the Roman baths, and within the square, restaurants, pubs, and stores. And in the center of the square, some artists are performing. And we're inside the Roman bath. Roman baths were built around 70 AD, with Roman engineering combined with Celtic reverence for the spring. The constructions are very unique. There are main baths and private baths. The source of the hot spring. Now they have a museum of the relics of some of those areas and can be found in my next video. We need to explore the other areas in Bath. Bath now is a famous tourist attraction. And we're here at the Bow River Parade Gardens near the River Avon, a beautiful park fronting the river. This is just nearby the Peronis Fountain and the Putlini Bridge. The Parade Garden in Bath is known for its 18th century Gregorian style garden, from manicured lawns and annual flower display. And now we're seeing the Putlini Bridge, created during the 17th century, connecting Bathwick. Designed by Robert Adam in a Palladian style, and is one of the only 4 bridges in the world that has a complete shops across in a full spans in both sides. I'm walking the Putlini Bridge right now. You can see from both sides there are still shops across the bridge. Going down into the bridge is like a mystical one. You need to go downstairs and voila! The view of the bridge under and the beautiful waterways of the River Avon. There's even a cruise that goes under the Putlini Bridge into the River Avon. Now let's tour the other parts of the Bath City, where tourist flocks for shops, restaurants, pubs, and dining area. And the most important thing, the shopping thing, is happening in here. These are the other sides of Bath, where you can find St. John Evangelist Church. This is a Catholic church here in Bath. And it's getting dark, but the city is still very lovely. There's a lot of areas that you still need to explore in Bath City. Until next time, see you. Bye-bye.